Good evening, people. Welcome to the Upper Live Show. Remember, we're sponsored by the Granaries, or located over there in 2 Overton Yard. That's in Croydon. I know I can't remember the postcode like that, but yeah. Make sure you go over there to check out the weekly events. It's all about the Granaries, the super club for London, the baddest club of London, running for how many years? So make
Granaries,
sure you check.
AKA Home Office.
Home Office?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Down there. I tell the man them say Home Office open back, you still can go and get your visa.
Is it?
So the man them who don't have no paper, it's 2024. Go down to the Home Office, turn in yourself.
That makes sense.
Turn in yourself down to the Home Office, that's Granary.
You might have to make 30 a year.
Yeah. Remember, I'm telling you, Granary upgrade, and a regular ticket them down there,
Exactly. So big up to the Granaries.
Big up
Make sure if
Granaries.
you want to party the weekend, anywhere in the weekend, any night of the week, we're starting from Wednesday straight back to Sunday. So check it out, Granaries, all right?
Yeah.
Peace. I'm going to talk now, because we are talking a whole lot of things this evening, because we have to just jump straight in it, because it don't make no sense.
In a twinkle thing.
Yeah, because I don't really make no sense right now if you talk about this, really.
That.
We know we're rusting the day, I said.
Hardball. Yeah, all right. We all have a reason, and yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to talk about some other things, though. Well, we're going for the week. Let's start back.
So, yeah, the week was all right, people, my apologies, I don't know, say, we never get a chance to report on, who Run Di Grung clash. For some things, beyond our control, we never get for foul calls. We have to get them line up for the studio. Actually, the winners of who are Run Di Grung, because remember, Northwest Broad Belt South,
Yeah, we can.
Remember, I saw it at my place, but me have taught the truth. A broad belt go on, broad belt. Me could talk about that a little bit before, because we never get a synopsis and
Me never did that, but me see some videos.
yeah.
And as far as the videos what me see, after the one song we played, the Clash could have done right there, sir. The Clash, the one song,
Yeah,
the one
alright,
dub plate
yeah.
to play. The Clash basically could have done this, sir, because that was well thought of, it was creative. I've seen Capo juggling set. I've seen Dio set when Dio did that phone and play. That's snippets missing. I don't see the full Clash.
Yeah.
But as far as I say, the one song when I say play, that deserved the whole Clash.
All right, so based on the clash, I say, Capo Sparks big up on the cell, but when it was just competing, when it just was dead for make up number,
You didn't
when it ain't in a part of the clash because when it dead from both
first round?
Surely.
from about 10 songs in, because I just saw it go.
No, Dio, me lose half a Dio, because I don't expect Dio to put up a bigger fight.
Not because me and Dio, I'm a compadre inside.
No, sorry, let me get it wrong. I said Capo and Sparks.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Capo and Sparks,
I mean, never
dead
did
from
that.
both 5 songs in, Me not tell lie, right now Capo still stress out over his Sparks. Not about smoke too much, because I see you burn about 50,000 ganja spliff. Because I saw a go on. You see me?
Serious Sparky.
When I time, I see Sparks say, yo, bulletproof as a headshot. And boy, bullet for boy. I say, Bugsy say, hey boy, you talk about bullet for boy, a girl use bullet. I say, bumbo clock.
Wow, yeah, real.
Yo,
that was a good
I say,
one.
you know
That
what?
was
All right,
definitely a
remember
good
this, sit back and drink my drink and watch the clash. Because I say, yo, that clash a whiskey.
So how was it judged? Was it round by round? Was it individual DJs?
All right, so
It
what?
was-
it was run by the
Showing
the
of
crowd
hands.
favorite,
By
like
showing of hands, yeah.
big up Brando. Obviously, he
And
wasn't
Vibes
booked
Classic.
on the bill. Big up Vice Class as well, but Brando passed through and helping on to the hosting of the clash, because I feel like say what he did was a
It
good job
balanced it
and it
out.
balanced it,
Yeah.
because Brando have a lot of experience in like the war realm in terms
Yeah.
of clashing and that. So in terms of all of that, I feel like what he did in terms of the hosting, because I feel like at some point the people them did say Vice Classic are biased with the clash.
Okay.
And it was not even only the Northwest crew,
Even
It was-
South people as well.
other South people, because obviously he's well known from South and whatever. So
Yeah.
people were saying he wasn't doing the clash fair as how it should go.
Yeah.
So and at that point until shot star for a film direction, till the man them say, fuck it. Go to skill all Vice Classic too. The man them say Vice Classic, yo, you can put on your mic and go for your laptop too.
Well, Vibes Classic is basically a South DJ as well.
Yeah.
So he might got a kind of bias for the South side. So it's fair to say, I don't want to bring not show no shades for nobody, but Brando was a good host for the clash.
Yeah. The man I'm going to run
He
Brando
goes on
because
to experience as well. So
Yeah.
Brando brings some experience. I guess the promoters and the organizers of the clash there was trying to do something different
Yeah.
in terms of getting some fresh blood in the space. But some of the time you have to kind of mix it with the traditional name in terms of the war space
Yeah.
to get that balance and that experience. Because remember, sometime if you don't have experience and clash crowd kind of get a bit taxi-turvy. So sometimes you get timid.
I was
Especially if a crowd turn on you. So I think that was one of the points when I think Vice Classic kind of drop off his A game because he started
out really, really well.
Started really well, but
yeah.
when you go down to the serious part and get
because
shaky.
I feel like say one of the round them, I think it was the second round when people them ask say who win. I think they say South, but some people was shouting like bias. Them redo it again, and then that round end up going to Northwest.
No, it was a draw.
Yeah, that round was draw.
Because of the situation, they said it was a draw. It was 1-1 to Northwest and South.
There's one thing that I wasn't really kind of find that because shady. Was this clash planned long time ago or was it something?
No, it wasn't a long time ago clash. It was something quick and fast up and
I think
coming.
it was done for like the Christmas season.
It was done for the Christmas season because obviously this is the third one. Because remember they have like the one with like
Capo,
no.
And
with the younger
Dio.
DJ, them have the one them with Pharrell them and Ty.
Okay, so
then
it's
them,
ongoing
then them have the one with
Capone
Dio,
and Dio
Capone them decide to mix it with like Dio.
You know why I say that?
Lion
Because
Squad, them
the
and-
East versus the South was like the week before. So when we see the
for
other
King
one,
Possible's event.
me I like. This looks so like no, me I said this look away.
It look copycatish, but it wasn't
Exactly,
because
but that's
this
what I'm
was the
saying. It
third
was
staging.
something before.
Because
they
remember, the last one we keep them the Sparks Steve the trophy. I mean, Sparks and me say so them test so. Feel?
And we did the interview with Capone after the win.
Yeah, them say I'm Tifa, but me I feel kind of point out something when me see in a clash.
Yeah.
Like one night time Capone, bad DJ, but dog yeah juggle like a party there. Like
I think it was
me see clash go. I know every song you mix. So my time you have to find some intricate song for put in a some place where tell you my man can't talk because obviously on rehearse for this. You get me? And I think them underestimate like bugs them. That's why no custom was cut.
Yeah.
Because obviously
no one expected that.
me have kind of inside ears to what's going on. So me hear some little thing on my ear say there was some pressure for them for cut custom and certain man I say no it's not needed. You get me? And any idea when Bugsy them cut the custom like that at the party and like
It did.
when somebody mentioned to me and say they mentioned cut Bada General for a custom and I say Ras. If you have a Bada General as a custom, that would be the perfect counteraction for that custom, and that probably could give a like equilibrium in the clash.
You know, more I give justice to.
Yeah.
And you see, me always realize this in every time in a music and DJ business in the whole. You see the selector, where I mix with Northwest, him win them
Suavo.
the clash.
Swivel.
Yeah, man.
Me watch him, me don't know him, me see him, the only time me hear about him first when it was a negative
Nuclear
video
go
ground.
Nuclear
I
go
him-
on.
We're gonna talk about nuclear.
Yeah,
we
but-
definitely have to talk about nuclear.
It's like how I give him a highlight when time if fucker go on.
Yeah, for give him the positive.
Give him a highlight because
Yeah, man.
to be honest, me watch all of the round them and I him anchor the ship. Him not say nothing, but you see the delivery of how him play the music, it was effective. So him MC them gain confidence. The slim youth.
His name is DJ Nuclear.
Listen,
I'm telling you. So there's Slim
Okay.
DJ Nuclear.
All right, the DJ Nuclear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me not know him as well. You realize how him get confidence because the song I play upon key and him a mix right. So and the crowd are react because of the delivery. So the youth get confidence. So him play a bigger that help the MC out there to have confidence
Definitely.
enough.
And-
Definitely.
And he realized nobody not really mention him.
I had only one problem with Swiver's mixing. Probably because I'm not a DJ. I'm just a patron.
Yeah.
It didn't mix too fast.
True.
It was too fast.
It was fast, but it was effective.
True. That is true. I'm a DJ, so I can test. Like
was
some of the
my
song them
opinion.
play too fast, but If a song plays fast and you win the clash, like fuck that. Like
Yeah.
win is a win, like whatever. Like big up Swiver, we not take nothing from you. Like
Yeah,
DJ
he makes
Nuclear.
some fast, but his songs, they were
Big up-
making sense.
Yeah.
Big up Nuclear cause like for one of the youngest and we are call it one of the lesser name
Yeah.
in terms of everybody
stood
in night.
Yeah.
Him forward and him step up ball and him say yo, he first when him go forward up him say yo, more fear dopey, more fear and him call him and the man say yo. When I time the man him say yo, all the twin them, we don't want to deal with. Yo,
there's one thing that he said, and he said this to Dio, which I thought was very funny. He said, Dio, you always say, watch your style. Like, shoot off your toe them. I'm like, brother.
No, he must say, Dio, you dance, yeah, but watch your style. I go shoot off your toe them. They're like, bumbo clad.
Yo.
Yo, me I say, yeah.
Big up the youth
Big
them
up
from
to all
now.
of the DJs.
Everything was well thought of, and we have to big up Bugsy because
yeah.
remember Bugsy come play intricate
Silent but deadly.
Remember Bugsy they are side there, you know, we don't stack of money. Bugsy people them say Jamaican money there over there, don't mean so. The holiday money, you know. You have a stack of money, stack and pile, you know. Over there I go and watch it and I go and do anything, I go and braff and I see Bugsy forward and on the stage, you know. Me I say, one night time I say, bumbo clot. I will give Bugsy information. Cause one night time man, me feel it too. Me feel like say a man link with a broad boat cause every shot where man fire connect.
Me don't know what go on, but
Me
me
say,
know a Bugsy cut the song.
clot.
Me not have to ask because remember the Bugsy are forward from St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth man them, a war man them. They love clash and they love the clash business and they love.
They get up.
Yo,
Well,
God, no.
geared up. So me know that a song they were cut. Me don't know who cut it, but me I tell them say a Bugsy cut that a song there.
Well,
Yeah.
we Run Di Grung 2023.
The clash was nice.
Good clash.
And I'm glad say the trophy go to the right person.
Winner, yeah.
You get me? It never
was fair.
bias. You go to the right winners and these are things we want to see. I want to encourage all of the young DJ, all of the competitors. So you know, remember the next one. On the forward better. Big up Capo and Sparks. Them killing the front early, but I saw you go. Next time on the forward a bit better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Further on in our news.
Further on the news, because I hope I think for talk about it.
Just, have you
Make-
touched on Sting?
Make we talk about Nigy Boy first before we talk about Sting.
Go ahead.
Because that's a current trending topic. Everybody know recently, you know, Nigy Boy, the blind youth are the visually impaired gentleman who get the breakout single on the Go-Go Club 2.0.
You know, it's Jamaican way
Yeah,
I
man.
talk to. No, but if it's a Nigy Boy, nobody not gonna know. The same blind man. No disrespect.
Yeah, man. All right, cool.
Exactly.
You know, remember this year, me say me a change up certain thing. You know, me a go a little bit decent, little bit, you know, calm see.
No, but anyway, come.
Come down now, come down now. Yeah.
Go on.
All right. So you know,
Jaja.
Nigy Boy, the blind youth, him get the big song, you know, and you know, it a make it, and we feel like say this song could be one of the songs of the rhythm we actually cross some boundaries, you know. That one that don't stop down a Sunstars or Norman Manley, that song have the potential to have wings, you know, and lift off because like me can relate to this song because me's a man. And any man out there, if he is a real man, you know, like a alpha. So my time I look on you and say, oh, if you have one girl after my blood clot, my hood and it's not one use only.
All right.
And you see how much girl out the road and now you say, yo, remember your roots and remember me African and more some African show and I say, yo, the man them have all 10 women live at them house, you know, and all 8 pitney, you know. This a day, this a wife, I could sit down and say, man, say, oh, if you have one girl, continental girl, and I say, bumbo clot. They can relate like, me say, yo, the whole world just love that song, then I say, yo.
Here why the song effective to me. The song, everybody likes raunchiness, everybody likes being on the edge. But there's a way to deliver it without actually saying the word like for like. So he's giving the same scenario of, let me give you a perfect example. Let's use Big Bones. Let's use My Boy song on there. As every girl I get wild out tonight. Party, if she so cocky, she find out tonight. At the same
Because part of
kind
that is even
of mess.
imagination.
No, there's no imagination in that delivery. That's just telling you exactly what. But this man is telling you say more 100 girls same way. Same way this a brother will want wild out and you want any girl in a club to sucking with or whatever. And the kind of same thing you must say, you know. But him just say deliver it a different way where it's palatable for everybody can play upon your radio and me look at that I can sing it and she might feel she sing it happy and she not even know what she has
know
said.
what it means. The live is asking you to play the song, let them hear it.
Because
Like,
some people don't know it.
So
the
we
song
played
is,
it earlier.
is melody. You get me full of melody.
And
me-
can
me
you
have to say,
introduce
yo.
the song for us, All Stars,
Play
so
it.
people can, name of the artist?
Me have
title
to,
of the
me
song.
have to, me have to do that as well. You
Just-
can
so
introduce the song now. You don't know him
I
name.
don't know the title of the song.
All right, so the song is what you call it, Nigy Boy.
The
Nigy Boy.
artist is Nigy
The artist
Boy.
Nigy Boy and the song called Continent. You get me?
Right.
So this is the song where we are talking about people, and I feel like so that song, it can go places.
Rush on. Them say me fi easy and stay true to one queen, but wait, hold on. If Solomon and David had laid this by the dozens, then why can't I be greedy? Tell me why, oh why, oh why? Why me fi off one girl when continental girl I accept want me for themself forever accept man a loose cannon me never accept when me aim fi fire me target in excess yes me do them beat down relentless rotation always in full effect that's when one not act right me step left select the next candidate girl if you want me here I am then you can have me sharing is caring so you got to share me say you like that chocolate ooh I'm free of cost sharing is caring so you got to share.
All right, so
And man say
That's
for
it.
share it.
Sharing is
I hear somebody
caring.
make a comparison with this song with this youth and the man say, yo, the man voice and him, the
Deliver.
harmony and everything.
Yeah.
Come like say, it's a mixture of Taurus Riley
Yes.
and Conscience.
And
No,
content.
Dexter that's to me.
Yo, no.
Dexter. Yeah,
To be honest,
that's true.
and a mix of Dexter, but you remember early days Conscience?
Yeah, that's true.
Like how him saw when the song start. This is how the man a deliver the song, and I say bumbo clat.
let us just put it out there. Even prior to him doing this track, Dexter Daps has brought him on stage.
Yeah, Dexter
So
Daps
gave him a
he
forward.
has been making appearances
Yeah,
here
man,
and
Dexter
there.
gave him a forward, man.
If you pre Instagram page, if
Yeah.
you pre other, he has been getting appearances. So this has now kind of pushed him further, and I guess this is what he wants to do.
Well, anyway, further on in news, like we could talk about the elephant in the room because I recently saw some video come out by
You in a great,
some the elephant in the room, but that youth and them career. So
yeah.
something
We
has
talk
come
about
to our attention recently. Say snapper manage him.
Who is the snapper?
I saw me here as a Foota Hype so I mean so.
What's the name of the gentleman that's
Don't
managing?
kill me not call nobody name.
What's the name?
You
of
want
the
to call him
man?
name?
I don't know his name.
Me not call nobody name. Them say Foota Hype say the snapper manage him. Me not leave me alone. I
Dr.
mean, no-
Love, is that name?
Is that his name?
Bad man, me not call nobody name. Something like
Yeah,
some
but
Foota Hype, so.
it's a conversation.
Something
It's
like-
a
yeah.
hearsay. It's not.
Honestly,
It's not.
what's his name though?
That's
Doc-
what
Dr.
him name.
Love.
Dr.
Dr.
Love.
Love.
Them say is a snapper and manage a blind youth. So Foota Hype say Jesus Christ.
So alright, you see what me not like now?
Wow.
Foota I probably know say the man who are managing for long before he would get any recognition. Why you have to mention up that now? In the height of the man look 5 minutes of fame.
It's Foota Hype,
Eh.
based on the video that I'll allow Dragon
Yeah.
to explain.
All right,
what he's done.
so
The live that was.
remember, as Jamaican, we have to look on things. Rational and we have to look on the thing culture-wise scene. So in terms of the culture scene, if you look on it and say, yo, if you are able and you have all 5 cents working, you would not take that risk for make. You know, a snapper angle your business because remember
Or
in
your
your
drinks.
But with at 2024 we don't know. We still have them a conversation.
well, I'm a boss. Well, 2024, 2028, 2030, 2040.
And he did refer
With
to
culture, with
drinks.
culture scene. It's not. It's not even about drinks, right? Certain advantage what people can take with you. You get me? Or they can't take with you. They can take with a blind person because obviously there's somebody have to do certain things for him.
Yeah.
You get what I say?
Yeah.
And you could be incriminating without knowing something because watch you know. So if a man beside you and take some picture and one G-string and go on with the mouse and then put them out. Remember you're blind and you don't know how to go out. You know?
Yeah, see it.
I remember a man can do anything without your content really
But
because
you don't know.
you not fucking know how to go on. Remember I said uncle thing him can read it though. Where cause you know we have 3 main sense way in terms of communication. You know, it's
But the man-
like, you know.
I don't want you to stray from the point. I want you to paraphrase the live that Foota Hype.
More alright, let me
Yeah.
paraphrase a Foota Hype. Foota Hype
Paraphrase
say
a lot.
like, oh can you? Foota Hype's alright. In this point where the first thing when come out with and say, yo, him reach out to the youth because obviously somebody link him to get a collab with the youth, which me no feel say nothing go so. That's my thought, people. Don't fight me. See, just small link him to get a collab with the youth. Him say him reach out to the youth to say yo, who I manage him. I feel like the Foota Hype use an opportunity for try running for the youth, for try see if him could have running for manage the youth. And when him here say is the gentleman managing the youth, you know, because remember Foota Hype, him have a little body for behind, you know. You get me? So remember, when that's something that come in, the man likes and say, yo, nah man, you know, Foota Hype start go bad. And then recently, earlier on today, I see his mother.
Which is Nigy's mother.
Yeah, that's Nigy's mother come out on a live with the other gentleman, the manager guy.
Dr.
I don't want
Love.
to call him name.
Dr.
Yeah.
Love.
So she was on a live with a gentleman saying Foota Hype should leave him son alone because him never help him son when nothing ever go on. Stop calling up him son name Ray. And I feel like his mother was coached and coerced by Dr. Love.
Yeah.
All right, I'm calling him now, yeah? Because I had an idea he was on the live and I don't feel the way all his mother was talking, she didn't listen to the full story because Foota Hype didn't say nothing bad about it. Her son.
No.
Foota Hype was referring to the manager and
the mother is defending her son because he's now been in a spotlight for something that nothing to do with him.
Because this now nothing to do with Nigy Boy. Foota Hype was attacking. Foota Hype was attacking Dr. Love.
Yeah, but indirectly he's...
No, I can't even call him so no, that don't feel right.
No.
The man there.
The manager.
Yeah, me can't. No.
Indirectly he's affecting Nigy Boy. Because all this is coming to tarnish the youth. He might not even get one little highlight properly good yet. The man can't even see in glory. Man in a big music video, him can't see it. He might get all these good accolades. And now, as soon as look, the people on the live what we have didn't even know the song. You know how much people the song not reach their ears yet? And you go put that in the mix, in the everything. Brother, if you didn't know that, just slow it until the youth start. Get a look at proper regulars, get a look at show first, then you link them one away. Why can't you come on? And everything you do if you come on live, you know?
There are a lot of comments coming in on Instagram as well. Belly Pain and Fire. I'm seeing your comments. Fire says no, but his mom would have a point though. Fire, if you are available, if you can give us a call at 079 444 72282. Join the conversation and give us your point of view, please. Because I want to understand a little bit more what you're trying to say to us.
At the end of the day, like, I understand like where Foota Hype is forwarding from because look on it now. Remember, if this song take up wings and the fly, remember when we talked the part that said a song had potential to take up wings?
And to cross over.
Is this what you want package brand Jamaica as and send it out to the world? The LGBTQRX, whatever them want to call. That one want package and sell Jamaica as.
So, but here's
I'm asking.
It's not the manager that is being sold.
No, but hold on.
Yeah, but how that have to do anything to do with Nigy Boy and the song?
Boss, hold on. Because
I struggle to understand why the logic we are trying to
the logic's what I try because it's a visually impaired artist, right?
Yeah.
If the manager is sending you down a part or accepting certain show because he's over that side of the fence. What can you do? Because if him decide, say, say, all right, he must send Nigy Boy upon Pride, see? Or he must send him upon certain show where you say that don't represent the brand Jamaica because obviously, as a Jamaican artist, you have to uphold. Hold on, Rico. You have to uphold some moral and some standard, right?
Yes, but
otherwise, Jamaica can disown it real quick.
But at the end of the day, yes, Dr. Love is the manager. At the end of the day, Nigy makes his final decision. So if you're an honest manager, if you're honest about the guys about Nigy's career, you're going to be honest about, okay, these are the bookings that we're getting. XYZ, LGBT, this and that. Do the audience hold on the noise first, please. He has the right to say, sorry, it's not within my moral grounds. It's not aligning with my values. I'm not going to be doing that show. And he can't force him to do a show that he doesn't want to do. The manager, yes, is there to manage. Nigy, at the end of the day, makes the final decisions.
And you see, this stigma we have, you see, before, maybe 10 years ago, before I start get hold and,
what stigma you have, man?
Brother, listen, let me tell you exactly. I'm going to tell you what I say. You see, because one time when I used to stay a certain way to and say, oh, this and bun, this and rare.
Yeah.
I don't care where a man want to do over in yard. or what choices they want to make. You see, living in the UK, me get to understand how life is. And you can't tell people what to do with them life. If you want to decide, say you want to go love man, or you want to love woman, or you want to do what you want to do, that's your business.
Right.
Yeah.
So the artist, Nigy, away one name. You
His
can't
name
have
is Nigy Boy.
Nigy Boy. If him decide if this man is what is homosexual or whatever it is, and he's a good manager, does he have to do with
The
his
guy's career.
sexuality depending on Nigy Boy career? He's doing a job. The manager who I work with right now, me not probably go see it.
Do not.
It's a speculation
Do not.
that
Sir, be careful.
it could be that way.
Right.
And my livelihood depends on my job.
No,
I do right
why,
now.
why?
Why
Why?
for the wood?
Why?
Shaky,
Alright.
shaky.
You cannot talk about
Alright,
them
me take-
something and go, right? No, why?
Shake him, a general.
No,
Take-
why?
me take a while then.
Why? Bumbuck, first of all, if you ear.
More than one.
Bumbuck, lad.
It's Fuckery Tuesday. Up on live.
Alright, we not forward
Alright,
again, my
let me
general.
rephrase
Yeah,
it.
we not forward again.
All right, my family depend upon the little chop and so me I get from my local work.
Aye, that's all better.
You see it?
Yes, my general.
So me have to respect the work. I respect who is managing my job employment there. So regardless of what him want to do with film spare time, that is film business. So Nigy Boy know where is the artist. As long as him a gonna him know what real to him or what his values is, singing song them, and if this brother work good enough for him, let the man do what he do. Responsible for this brother where he want him, doctor. Love if him want rare or what you want. I film business that brother.
I'm.
At the end of the day, Rick, I not agree with it because
I know you not agree.
no.
Bread hold the line first.
Why me
please.
can't agree with it because like it's not everything. Not because we tolerate it or we allow it means that we should accept it in our life and our culture. Because look at it this way: if you're a Christian and he's a Muslim, right?
Yeah.
If he move to a Christian country, he do not indulge in the Christian way of life.
Right.
Him
Yeah.
still stick to him roots and him culture of being a Muslim and him religion, right? So not because you are living in a Christian country or a country where say, oh, we love everybody and I don't hate no one.
Yeah, but you contradict yourself.
Well, I'm boss.
That's a contradiction.
But at the end of the day, not because over there do that, me feel like say me should indulge in that. Me should say, yeah, it's normal.
Yeah,
Oh, the rascal is normal for you should be wood pan shit.
No,
Wait,
but listen.
No, hold on.
But
I think we're straying. We're straying a little bit from the point.
Yeah, because I hold on the rasta. And at the end of the day, this thing now, when I make it look like say yo, this Jamaica because this a part of our identity.
No, but
No,
this
nobody
is
This
making
is
it look
part
like-
of our identity.
No,
and,
it is not.
I'm not gonna agree.
And you
It is not. You see,
you
everyone
start the
is
conversation, Rick.
individual.
I say,
Everybody
oh,
is
you live in England.
individual.
You live in England for a long time. And
Yeah.
bad man. Remember your roots, no?
All right,
I do remember my roots, but listen, when you're a child, you do childish things. When you grow up,
Yeah.
you cannot remember to be staying the same way forever. You have to learn and you evolve. UK and the first world countries are the perfect example that you can understand. So everybody can live. That's why war go on down so long.
But boss,
Because
what you know
everybody can allow a man to do what he want to do and stay over there and do what he want to do.
Is that all right? Them
So
say
because
England-
me a Jamaican, me for bun fish.
No,
Everybody for bun fish
no,
and
One at
Jamaica.
a time,
not
please.
saying
One
not
at a
saying
time.
you're supposed to eat them, boys. Something is not tolerated in our country. It's a rule, it's a law, it's against the law, right? And we cannot relax the law, something that's against the law to please other people narrative. Look at this now,
That
right?
is true.
Well, and look at this now. You follow England, right?
Yeah.
And you know England is a Christian
Hold the
country.
line first, please.
I remember, you know, the Bible, they talk about certain things and say, thou shall not do this and thou shall not do that, right? But when they come on to certain thing, you realize, say, them decide, say, they want to left out certain thing and relax the Bible and say, oh, go on like say, God never said this and God never said that.
Right.
And forget certain thing whenever I suit them. That's why I say, as a man, and as a respectable man, you are only good as your blood clot word and as what people can take it far. So if me say the sky blue today and then tomorrow I say the sky yellow, you can't trust me.
That means you're not a lot.
You can't. All right.
You're not
so if you
learn.
live at Jamaica,
Yeah.
and you say, yo, I saw you go. And
No,
then you come over here and say, no, whatever.
No, but
whatever.
you're going to learn something else. Make the caller get in, guys.
Breads, greetings. Happy New Year. Thank you for joining us.
Happy New Year.
Cool, now, man. Share your point quickly, please.
First birds ever sound so
So,
lovely.
You want to
so what me that say, yeah? What me that say, yeah? Like, oh, fall back with the same thing over again. To say, man, in a predicament, think how they know, say, the manager after that start, I show him left a highlight and I know, say, oh, no, Steve, don't put the show before.
Careful,
Like
no,
that.
birds, careful, cause man will knock you down. Remember where you there. Remember where you there. Careful where you talk, say.
I hear that, man.
All right.
I hear that.
Brent, go ahead with your point,
No.
please.
Yeah. So my time, people, if you don't see I'm blind like Nigy Boy and here and deaf, man.
Eh?
A lot of people. How it affect you
Bro.
in person, like me, actually?
How it affect me? Me want to know, say, yo, if me go buy this song and me spend my money, as a Foota Hype say, part of my proceed now go to a man who take that money and go buy a bottom.
But at the end of the day, bro, like.
Well, oh, no, say the
you're
man I
deep
buy
in
battery,
it.
that's the thing I try to say.
It's
You need to know what I go on
too
to.
deep.
I don't mean say, as a Foota Hype say, as a Foota Hype say, dog, I don't mean say so. I saw you go.
Even in a country where I feel in place, why am I come out and go come back to Jamaica then?
Huh? I like it over there.
Anyways, I I really think at the end of the day, yes, Dr. Love is managing Nigy Boy.
Yeah.
However, it's to each his own. Like, if that's the person who Nigy has agreed to manage his career, fine, that's his choice. But if it is a case that certain shows are being brought to Nigy, at the end of the day, it is his choice, his decision as to what time, or what shows he's going to be accepting, what shows he will not be doing, right?
So at the end of the day, like, whatever them want to do, it's up to them. But you know, it's a whole part topic we have to talk. I could just wrap up this quick. Ricky, have anything else to say about this topic?
No, we can close in by saying that
And don't counteract the closing statement.
just support the youth music and make sure to go and like and stream his music so you can always be having a career in the music, because that's what it's all about at the end of the year. It's about the artist and the music. And the music is what's got us talking about it, because no one was playing a song before this attention came to it. And just don't shy away from the positive of what the youth create and bring it to the negative side.
At the end of the day, people, I just say it because, you see, if it was Ramesh managing him, they would not beat Ramesh bad to answer Ramesh a culture vulture. And Ramesh should have run in with them and thing
if
and
it was
thing.
somebody else, they would have something else would
No,
be said.
if it was, watch here, if it was Ramesh took up the management at Nigy Boy, they would not beat Ramesh and say more Ramesh a culture vulture. But people, remember, say we have to look on the two sides of the coin. You get me? Remember, say, I not agree in another way of life there where the manager have no way, shape or form.
If
But
it is a case, remember it's alleged.
each them own.
Yeah.
But anyway, because the essence of time, we have to move on swiftly because I will part topic there for talk about. All right. Recently, we see on social media a little, no, not yesterday, very recently.
Not yesterday. It started before yesterday.
No, yesterday. You know what I'm talking about?
Sorry, go ahead.
Yesterday, we saw a little video forward out scene. Well, you know, like my brethren come, you know, like my brethren, you know, them come link me right along, you know.
Forward, my general, forward. Why?
Them forward come link me, seeing right along, you know. And
Right, true.
yeah. One of the man them does so that's a rips and just take out the beast and say, yo, road. Say him will pick up a one thing, you know.
From Sunday, bro. Not yesterday.
And the man them does rips and fold up in a something.
You missed out an important point. You go for a catty.
Yeah, that me say go and be.
Oh, B. I thought you said beast. Beast.
Me say them come take out the beast, go link one B.
Okay, cool.
You get me?
Great.
All right, let me talk it properly. All right, so like one of your friends them,
Yeah.
come link you at your house. You know, like your car key just put on there so. See, I don't know if me take up a dark car. Me just a drive gonna go pick up one girl and forward back. You see me? And the way to pick up the girl and forward back, him full up a car in a one little place and right off the vehicle. Remember, I never let him, you know.
TV out the
You
kid.
see me? I just take him, come on my yard, come take it up and be things. You see me? I remember, me a 9 to 5, me never chop, you know, me no push nothing.
Okay.
You know, hard work and buy, you know.
2.2 mil.
Buy one nice car, cause remember, me just start drive and things, you know. I buy one Christmas. First little car I'm own and thing, you see me? And when me do like some vet boy, I say, no, sir, me have to go lock you up. When me look upon him, I say, yo, no, man, I'm a virgin, me cheer my mind, me can't bother lock him up. But you know, me take it out, my frustration and anger to social media. And everybody, I beat me now, I say, yo, I shouldn't do that time, I shouldn't try to lock up my friend and Ray.
So tell me something, the car not insure.
You know, a Jamaican insurance go to third party depot. You know, you probably have a link down a insurance place, so you know. You say insurance, but insurance are really good.
No, that because I see the story, you know.
Yeah.
And me oppose it to myself, say. But even if a car crash and your bridging crash a car, the only thing but Jamaican insurance work different. Because,
yeah, it work different because it allow multiple people
to drive it. So that's what I say, the car must insurance. So the insurance must foot some of the bill.
But obviously, Jamaican insurance, like, it take time.
So that means that it never
It
insure.
doesn't really matter.
It don't really matter. It take time because
it's the principle of the situation. Let us not divert. It is the principle of the situation. Rick, you buy a good car. You work hard. You go on a J1 work and travel program. You know how hard it is to work on a J1 travel program?
No.
I never go for none.
It's a very hard work. You
See, where I do over here.
and you save your money. You're not cleaning toilets and feeding people, so calm down.
I know that alone people do on J1. But
Just
anyway,
work
talk.
with me. You work hard, you go on your J1 program, you work and you save up your money.
Yeah.
You know, you work towards your goal, you want to buy your vehicle. When you bought your vehicle, this hombre is the first person you've told, dog, you know, so I'm buy my first
Same
car.
best friend.
Your best friend.
Same thing.
How about this hombre? I talk like I just want a regular man.
Him best friend.
Yeah.
Seeing? First person, dog, you know, so I'm buy my first vehicle.
Big
Great.
up Maya.
Yeah? And you're sleeping. You're gonna have a good bed. Remember, you know, after the holidays, you're going back to work. This is when you're going back to work. Seeing? You just buy 2 fresh wheels last week and you go back to work Monday morning. Only for wake
Change
up
the time, yeah.
Yeah, 2 fresh wheels for your car. Wake up Sunday night, your car crash. And then you're having your best friend's family members say, oh, you haven't even checked on him and the girl to see if they're okay, they're alive. But you went to the scene and you saw that they're okay. So you go and you realize that the hombre and the girl, them all right, them not have no scratch, them not have no bruise.
But that second story.
Quickly, because some people now follow the story. Let's
Yeah, so that's basically what happened. So the man take out him car, as Dragon say, go take up the bee, fold up the car. Hombre never know. But the things that are being said by the best friend's family members to the guy who owns the car is that, oh, he's not checking up on the guy and the girl to see if they're okay. But he's like, but I didn't press charges. I could have pressed charges, but we drop it. I'm not go on like say, yo, it's the end of the world.
At the end of the day, like, this look like it's a regular occurrence, feel like in Virgin driving car. You know when they live at Jamaica?
Yeah, but you have to pay. If you use the man things and you crash the man car, you're supposed to pay for it. Or even if you can't pay for it all right, you need to form up with some form of payment plan to kind of get the man get back a next ride or something. You can't just crash the man car. So.
Fully understand, but you look on it this way. It's not it don't look like say it's a one-off thing where a man come tea for the car out your yard. Look like say this brother been driving the car before.
But you're making an assumption.
Hold on, look like it, but at the end of the day, where this guy go wrong as a friend? Because remember, all of these are vanity, right? And if my friend crash down the road, right? I'll fuck up as me vex and thing, and me car mash off, me vexing about. You have to hold a militancy some of the time and you can't hold certain things and cuss and argue. But you see, when you start put certain things on social media, and remember that can't take back, you know. So that's when everybody has say, yo, you're a pussy virgin because, hold on, because
I never saw those comments.
Have you ever hear a thing where them say you can't have a right and throw it away? So him did the right. But because him got post on social media and put him business on social media, that's where him get the wrong. Because obviously, your friend take out the car, him do him did whatever happened. It's an accidental because remember say, him don't done it out of spite. So it's not like a man go fool it up.
Yeah, he never
out of bad mind.
So
see, it happened. It's an accident. Blah, blah, blah. But when you take it to social media and start a certain thing, obviously family member will vex. Because look on it this way.
As a result of the family members attacking him, why he took it to social media. It's not because he went to social media, then the family started attacking.
No.
Yeah.
Because as a friend, you see first wrong, you wrong. You do like say and say, yo, me lock up Rick. I go down a station, me lock up blood clot Rick. Because Rick brush up my car. Reason Rick first, no? before you do all that, reason
But
Rick
you
and
don't know if that happened, bro.
bad man,
People
hold
and
on.
me,
You
mash
Hold
up
don't
on.
the car, yeah.
know.
Reason Rick first, and say, boy, Rick, fuck up, you can't still know. I don't know what I go on, but you have to do something. Because obviously, I can't walk in here, so you hard my work feet, blah, blah, blah. But we have the conversation.
Dragon, we don't know what happened.
In a eat a discussion, a man will say, yeah, man, me start that thing. A Jamaica, you know what I think, man. I say, yeah, man, me start that thing for you. See, you go, you say, if Rick fuck up now, and Rick go on like him want go around you,
Right.
then if you lock him up now, then you give him all the chance you want. Because remember, a friend, you know, it could have be a brother or anything like that. Because remember, say, he's not a stranger come thief a car.
I fully agree with what you're saying.
And
But there-
certain good thing you have a preet.
I understand where you're forwarding from, but at the end of the day, we are not there to know if that didn't happen. We don't know if that's why I'm taking it to social
Say if
media.
you crash your father car, your father will lock you up.
Belly
That's
pain them
not
have a
the
PS.
that's not the point, though. That's not the point. We don't know every aspect of the situation. We don't know if him got to the umbrella and say, yo, dog, you thief out the car and ray. We
Yeah.
don't know if the next umbre start get defensive and doesn't want to be accountable for his actions. We don't know that aspect. We don't know what happened, why the family members them start do what them a do and attack him, how they are attacking him. We don't know that. So I see the point, but at the same time, we have to also look at it from his perspective.
Buy what the man care.
It's a market. I don't know. My friend have a market. I'm live at
And
Jamaica.
the man first week, dog.
It don't really matter,
It
cause
matters.
as a Jamaica, if my friend have a market, so I'm so one fat batty girl down the road and me I chat to from about 20 years ago and she not give me an argument. Me I tell the dog say, yo dog, me I drive the market to them and I tell him say, yo.
But he didn't tell him.
No, hold on, no. Me I tell the B and me not have to tell him.
Oh.
And my friend, remember I saw me and my brother road now. My friend, me I say, yo, I saw you go, you know.
How much is that to be? 2 million?
2.2.
I don't worry for money. Just chill, man.
Right.
You see me? But me I go down the road and me I trick a girl and say, I might care. Me I try to get some front. You see me? I just saw you go. You know what Jamaican life go.
A 10
The
grand.
car mash up, I saw you go. If you interior, get it back. If I saw you go, dog, we work out something.
All right.
That's that.
There are a whole heap of
Yeah.
other topics that we have to
What-
talk
all
about.
right.
Time
We don't
ago,
have the
because we don't
time.
have a time.
Ladies and
Boras
gentlemen,
clat.
what heap of things there to talk about. So we might have to. We're going to do a part few next week.
Yeah.
18 minutes past the hour of 10 o'clock. This is the Up and Live show. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go
Yeah.
over to their Instagram page and check their weekly event. That is the hottest place to be. When I don't know upon a weekly, some special people were forward and join us on
but
set.
before we go to that, we could talk about the twinkle topic now, because we not touch upon that yet.
Don't have
No.
the time.
No, we are touch upon it for a little bit. We can touch upon it in 10 minutes. Like, we have 10 minutes to talk about that. See, quick and fast.
You have
Quick.
11 minutes.
Alright,
Not a
let's-
second.
Yeah.
That's like a fast. Quick.
So,
people,
fast.
Jada Kingdom versus Steph London. We can start it first.
London.
Who I win?
How this start?
I don't know how it started.
Boy, Berkey. Boy, look
Hi,
at
Berkey.
Burner, fuck Steph London.
They
Look
were
like,
together.
well, I know. Well, me talk the story no, cause me talk it just
Dragon
Jamaican
attack is the
perspective.
street way.
I saw me see it. Me used to
street.
fuck Steph London saying, it's like here I'm gonna pay the rent and be a thing, but she never get a Burger King. Just fuck Jada a little bit. There's a blip 20 grand, one big Burger King, and Jada come show up, boy, you know, put it on the gram.
Remember, she'd have on him chain.
See it? And then him do like a bumbo clot, and the man sing one song and say, you know, by Jada, me I say bumbo clot, then Jada, then Steph London Bex. Both, you see me? But my man am a beef long time, you know, cause
Long time.
I saw you go, you know.
Steph needs to talk more.
It's a
after
matey
outside.
thing, because, me look pan him.
No, I'm not matey, you know.
No. they
Big up,
weren't
Steph.
together.
No, big up Steph London. No matter if you're together or not. When two get fuck the same man,
Bro,
a
no,
matey
don't
thing.
make it sound so.
it's a matey
Say the
thing.
thing exactly if you forward.
Oh,
Because,
say it, man.
all right,
Say
look
it,
for the
say it.
timeline. Me don't know what did I go on if
Uh-huh.
Burner did a link Jada Kingdom while at the time. But if you realize when the story forward out,
Uh-huh.
Steph London and Burner Boy did kind of done. Cause she
And it included
yeah,
cheating.
and
He
then
was cheating on her.
yes, but it wasn't disclosed who it was. Burner King, you know, Burner go everywhere in the world.
Yeah, but
let's
The relationship, the main problem was cheating.
okay. So listen.
So
The
cheat
song-
can have some if
well,
I'm
I know-
Jada.
Well, I know. Me could make people them follow with you. Remember the song Forward Out, last. That was the separation, the official separation. And him say, Ray, oh, why? And him ball out. Yeah? Exactly. That one, done. Remember
Moving
good.
on. Yeah.
Long after, Byron Masia,
Messiah.
or Messiah, when one name, do this song, da, da, da. Everybody has to make us start beat him, can go this saying a big song. Then, Burna Boy go do the remix at Jamaica and go mention the girl with the
Birking.
big body girl in a Jamaica name where the Birkin.
But remember the Birking, that argument did pop up a long time
It
before.
was popping up, but
Because,
him just confirm it there.
Confirm it, yeah, because
but that
of-
was, if you check the timeline of that song comparing to last,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
like a whole year between.
Yeah, I fully understand.
He said
fully
all
agree.
the best pum pum there Kingston, so I buy a
Burger.
burger
For Jada Kingdom.
Exactly. So long as so him be
But he
done
said,
deal
I
with
Thomas, Jada come from
with
But anyway, you know when I'm talking about
Stefan
Jamaica,
already.
you know the reference when I'm use Kingston. Yeah.
We know.
exactly. So PS in point, they not should have no problem. So Steph London, maybe she knows something that we don't know.
Maybe she does.
Exactly. So maybe she have a insight as Jada am a link on the side, but we don't know. But the timeline makes sense for Jada Kingdom. Personally, I don't like Jada Kingdom.
Excuse me?
Why?
What
Because-
is the
Why?
reason?
Why?
She styled me differently a couple years ago. And from there, so
That a fian Jada.
I like, listen.
Let's move
listen,
on.
No. Let me get you right.
It's getting personal.
Let me get,
Come down now, Rick.
no, me I get it right. I respect her music.
Yeah.
I like her music, but I didn't like her as a person.
or
Because
what
of
she did to you.
Twinkle.
because there was me not really say she didn't she kind of disrespected with brand Royal Mag when time we were working. If you want me to say it.
Yeah.
And when you do anything to so, cause me the part of Royal, I was still a part of Royal
Yeah.
Mag. And she did. So me not gonna disclose what she did, but it was very unprofessional. So from then time there, me have a little stint. But me always like I sang them. But to be fair now,
Boy,
she
Jada
a
made
lead
you good.
She a lead the war. She's leading the war.
I
think
no
so
like
too.
you.
No, but me have to put justice.
That's fine.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's
Are you
dissect
gonna
some of this.
give previews?
So
again?
a few songs come out, song been throwing shade before, but these two songs will come out recently. They go direct and name being called. So obviously Steph London put out her song first on the Go-Go Club 2.0 rhythm.
Yeah.
It's alright. Now pull up the trees. Like I feel like it's shot something because I feel like that song wouldn't even get rotation in the club on that rhythm or in the parties.
The Steph London song.
Yeah. I feel like something is missing.
from Steph London's
Yeah.
tracks.
It's direct, it's calling name, but it's not going hard enough.
But we have to remember, the first song,
Yeah.
It was.
she didn't call anybody's name.
Oh,
She did
She
say.
never
No.
never called.
hold on now.
She never said.
No.
She said twinkle.
No,
Miss
the go
Twinkle?
the song on the
She
go
went-
the song on the go club
She
rhythm.
went back and she edited it and she inserted that. We have to remember.
Yeah,
Okay.
I thought
First
so.
Okay,
one,
Yeah.
there were no names being called.
Okay.
She went back
You're right.
yesterday.
You're right.
She edited it and she put in the girl name.
Yeah.
And that is
You're right.
and that is after Jada was like, Jada did a story and like, boo, like I just want to clarify. Are you referring to me? I just want to make sure say,
Yeah,
it's
the
direct.
little thing what Jada put
Yeah.
out, the snippets, yeah.
And that's when she went back and she did it. But I just want to point Natural Mystic, you don't know Mystic's there already.
We're in there.
He's not on the live. I haven't seen him on the live.
Yeah.
If you
Exactly.
hear Mystic, make
Nav it
yourself, known. He made a post today saying Steph London is winning. And everybody is like, eh?
Watch you now. I can't do the fucking everybody look invite to Steph London party. You know have to invite me, I talk the truth. Right now, mama. Big man think mama. That song they need ketchup and they need some hot sauce
No,
too.
but you see, you can't really judge a war yet. The war not reach judging
The
stage
first
yet.
two songs, what me
But
see,
Jada said she
me I
does,
say,
so
me I
I
say,
think the
me I
war
say,
will
who are
continue.
leading?
Yeah.
I'm saying who's leading. See?
No,
I
but
think
nobody
Jada-
can lead yet.
No.
All right. To be honest, Jada
No,
Kingdom
a
song.
two-song sing.
Jada Kingdom song, but Jada is responding.
Yeah.
Remember, Steph London instigated the war, so it's not gonna be as fiery as the person who's responding.
She wasn't referring to nobody.
In a really
Yeah,
matter.
but exactly. So she did. The song first was vague, so she wasn't direct enough. The big batty one. Name again. I can't remember my name. Jada Kingdom. As she say it,
Embarrassed,
But yeah, you
glad.
just say her name. Anyways,
Yeah, but me attack.
Time.
But anyway,
4 minutes.
she had the chance to sit
Yeah.
down and think and orchestrate her lyrics them according to what she know, all the info she have. The song now where Steph London go forward with now, you see, if this song touch her career or take one piece of dive, you see, she have to forward back with something sensible. No care where you want to be as big as you want to be. If you don't respond to this, left the answer alone and go over hip hop.
But Jada Kingdom has said that this is it. Like, she's finished with it. She'd have no time to waste. And the reason why she wanted to clarify it if Steph London was talking about Twinkle, because she said she never want to waste her song them. Like, she have her song them ready. Like, she has her responses. She have her shot them ready.
A joke she agi.
Listen, I'm just repeating or paraphrasing what was on the story.
Bumbuckler, Ricky, I eat that. You ever fuck one girl and then when you are in her left, she just look hot and she start pay prosperity. So she buy a new blood clot Benz.
We were told that Berna gave it to her.
Well, I know. You see what waste man a fuck you bex though. So she feel.
So yeah.
So I'm telling you, like this now is not no joke thing, and at the end of the day, like
3 minutes.
Me not take nothing away from Steph London. She's a very talented artist.
Yeah.
And whatever, but at the moment Twinkle win because you know what, her life and her background is a bit more secretive than Jada Kingdom. Remember when we all had Jada Kingdom rap, you know? So she get raped and the whole because she come talk it to you.
Yeah, she told
she
her
can't
story.
really put that in a song as lyrics because it's not going to be news to people. You see the little thing with him brother and him mother.
And the mother.
He has a bomb
Bro.
So who are gear news?
No disrespect, but if you listen to Steph London, remember Steph London is a very good writer now. Remember Steph London does grime. You listen to
She's
Steph London sang before she got boss, before she actually get recognition mainstream. She's a street rapper girl now. Don't take her lightly. But so I'm saying, me I go judge her according to how she respond to this. Me not judge the first song because the first song was kind of, she hit and miss because she never sure if she want to say it. Because when you go back and go edit it and put in name, you never serious. You do one little vague diss track. When remember say Jada get the chance to reply back to her and say what she want to say in a fair own after done ball out what she want ball out, you know.
Well,
so you can't really gear.
One of them things there and I feel like say at this current moment with the two songs,
hold the line first, please.
Jada is the one who is leading.
Yes.
I think Steph. All right, if we score this by pints, right now the ball game they about 4-2.
Out of 2 songs?
No. If we have scored by pints.
Oh.
Let Brent say one second, the time.
Brent,
we have to get
quickly,
it.
we have literally 1 minute.
Rick. No matter if you're a good writer or not, Jada's second song literally destroyed the first one and a lead right now. So she have to respond because of the fact that she go pick war. No matter if as somebody responds, you will sit down and write where you write. So you have to know your response, you reply them. Jada intro alone killer. So it is what it is, bro.
The 2 intro them. Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah,
That's true.
big up yourself, Brent. So we have to wrap up this segment and jump into the other one. But looking forward to seeing you soon. Seeing.
And look what I say. I don't look something that I make the waves them on social media. You see me?
Yeah.
You man say any girl you fuck, make sure you say you can get a song and I say bumbo clot. Don't find back himself one name I get one 5 song from Dona this year.
Well,
him
drop a
whole production.
Was that
I know
this year?
last year.
That was
But
the same
me I
month.
thought this year. You know what they
But
man there, you know.
you see your dancehall unfair because me no want to say it.
Time.
What me gonna say it fast?
Yeah.
Don't want album flop and nobody no want to say it.
I said that.
Nobody no want. None of the man them where a blog a one song upon his album and his boy.
Yeah. I didn't
But
like
Mecca
the
did.
project.
But Mecca did it when I next look at you.
So you go.
Mecca did all Valiant do one project and they flop.
Everybody
Because
They would have
Valiant
beat
hot.
him.